Hello students, how are you all? In this video we are going to learn about the digestive system. This is the first chapter in science for 4th grade. So students, let us understand some new words in this lesson. Means the digestive system, some words are there. It may be new to you. So let's see on that. Okay. First one word is there, that is salivary glands. Okay, students, for salivary gland means what? A gland that produces saliva. Okay, students, in this about salivary gland we will discuss in chapter. While explaining the chapter, I will discuss with you. So next word is digestion. Digestion means the process by which the food is broken down from complex to simple form. This is called digestion. Okay, students. Next, one more word is there, that is esophagus. Esophagus means, here esophagus. Esophagus means it's a long muscular tube that joins the tube to the stomach. So you can see here this pipe. This is looking like pipe, no? For this we will call as a food pipe also. Means the food which we will eat, this will enters through this food pipe to our stomach. Okay, students. So this is called esophagus. So you have to remember this one. Okay, students. Now let's go for next word, that is small intestine. Okay, students, small intestine. Small intestine means a long, narrow, coiled tube which absorbs most of the nutrients from digested food. Okay, this is small intestine. Next one is large intestine. Large intestine means it's a long, thick tube-like organ which absorbs water from undigested food. It helps in the removal of solid waste from the body through the anus. Okay, students, these words we have to remember. Okay, students, you have to write these words and meaning in your notebook and practice that reading. This is salivary gland, digestion, esophagus, small intestine, large intestine. Okay, students, now let us see the digestive system. We will start the lesson. So students, let's say about the digestive system. The food we eat is not useful to our body as it is. It needs to be changed into simpler form to be absorbed by the body. Here, daily when you are hungry, what you are going to do? You are going to eat something. Okay, that food what we are eating, that is not absorbed, means not useful if the digestion process happens there in our body. So students, the food what we will eat, no, it will go through our body through the mouth. So we can say that the digestive system, it will start from our mouth. Okay, students. Now the process by which the food is converted into a simpler form so that it can be used by our body to get energy. Here, the food which we will eat, that should be processed by the food. It should be converted into a simpler form so that it can be used to our body. Here, if it is digested properly, so then only that is helpful to us. If it is not digested, means the food which we have eaten, if it is not digested, so it is not useful. Okay, students. So that should be digested to get us energy. If it is digested properly, we will get energy. And nourishment is known as digestion. Here, the process is known as digestion. Okay, students, I will explain you regarding this. You may are thinking about this picture. I will explain afterwards. So let's see this. The digestive system in the human body is an organ system that include mouth. Here, digestive system means what? It is an organ system that includes mouth. Here, I told you already, the digestive system start from the mouth. Okay, and other things also included there. They are food pipe, or we will say as a esophagus, and a stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Okay, apart from them, salivary glands are there in the mouth, and liver is there in the stomach, and pancreas is there, and also it play an important role in the process of digestion. Here, not only these parts, not only mouth, stomach, large intestine and small intestine. Apart from this, salivary glands, liver and pancreas also help, and they also play a very important role in the process of digestion. Okay, this is about the digestion. So here we can see here, this is mouth, the digestive system which starts from the mouth. Okay, students, and this is the esophagus. With the help of this, the food which we will chew in our mouth and we will swallow. After that swallowing, that food goes through this esophagus to our stomach. And for esophagus, one more word we can say, it is as a food pipe. Okay, the food pipe. After that, we can say this is stomach. Okay, and small intestine. This is small intestine, and this is a large intestine. Okay, and this is anus. Okay, anus means the undigested food will remove through this. So that is called anus. Okay, students. Now let us see the process of digestion. Okay. Now I have told you what is digestion. Now let us see the process of digestion. Now let's see the process of digestion. The various organs of digestive system perform different functions to complete the process of digestion. Okay, to complete the digestion process, various organs they perform different functions. Okay, now from first we will start with the mouth, because from mouth only the digestive system will starts. Okay, let's think about the mouth. Already we are very familiar about the mouth, because what is there inside that? Teeth is there, tongue is there. So you can see here. Okay, teeth is there and tongue is there. Okay, so regarding this, I will explain you. The digestive process begins in the mouth. See here, that process, the digestive process is there, no? It will begins with the mouth. It will start with the mouth. From mouth, we will start the digestive system, because whenever you are going to eat something, what you will do? First you have to put in your mouth, isn't it? After that you will chew. Okay, and the teeth help in cutting and chewing the food we eat. Okay, in our mouth the teeth is there, no? Teeth, they will help in cutting and chewing the food what we are eating. Okay, and saliva produced by the salivary glands makes the food wet and soft. See, inside our mouth, that saliva it will produce, means it is produced by the salivary glands. Salivary glands is there in our mouth, that will produce the saliva. So sometimes you may see that you will not drink water, but still our mouth is wet. So the salivary glands, they are producing the saliva. Okay. Sometimes you may see that if any delicious food you have seen, or any delicious smell, okay, is coming, means you can feel that the saliva is producing more. Means salivary glands, they will produce more saliva in our mouth. Okay, if some yummy food is there, that time we will feel that. Okay, students. So to make that food soft and wet, for that reason in our mouth the saliva will produce. Okay, students. So that it is easier to swallow. What the food what we are eating, that is easier to swallow with the help of that saliva. Okay, students. The tongue you can see here. The tongue, it will helps to tasting and pushing the food downwards into the food pipe. So after that we will chew, we will eat, then that food we will swallow. Okay, that time the tongue will help. It is helping to taste something and it will push down towards into the food pipe. Food pipe means already I told you that is esophagus. Okay, students? This is about the mouth. Okay, remaining I will tell you in the next class. Okay, until that, all of you listen this and read this on time and by heart the words which I told you before, means the new words. Okay, students, thank you. Again, we will meet in the next video.